Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on BLACKVIEW Tab 16. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on the search bar and type in Wall-E AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and now click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions and click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again, and now click start. And here, as you can see, is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.